Hey sweeties, Gail here at Poppin' Candy HQ to show you another beautiful unboxing. Today we have from Hot Chocolate Design the stunning geometric heels. This is the beautiful packaging that they come in. Super reusable. I am absolutely obsessed. Obsessed is the word I was reaching for there. Obsessed with this packaging. Have a look at this, you guys. It's design excellence right here. So they come in this little drawer. You can slide it all the way off and remove the top half of the box. I've already taken the packaging from the inside of the shoes just to show you guys what they look like straight away. You'll also find in your Hot Chocolate Design heels an extra set of the heel guards. So those pop right off the base of your shoe, so if they start to get chewed up walking a lot or standing a lot on pavement, things like that, you'll find these to replace those if that does happen to you for your shoes. So I'll just take these babies out of the box so you can get a really good look. Oh, they match my outfit today. Oh, that's cute. So this is geometric, beautiful, stunning, rich pastel color palette. So some dark pastels with a bit of a monochrome pattern on the heels there. This is a 4-inch heel without a platform underneath. So it is a bit of a steep angle, but they've given you this gorgeous, squishy instep gel support that will really make these super comfortable. If you are a heels fan, these are a great one to add to your collection. They will match all of your pastels, pinks, purples, blues, greens, mint, yellow, everything you've got in your wardrobe will go with these beauties. I have these myself and I often wear them with a complete black look and then just some light colored accessories, brooch, earrings, hair flower, whatever. But yeah, you can match these with florals, polka dots, stripes, almost any print goes with this really cool geometric design that they've got here on the geometric heels from Hot Chocolate Design. So these are a fabric upper, and this is a size 8 that I'm showing you today, but they come in sizes, I think at the moment we have 6 to 11 in stock on the website. They will go fast though. We just had a restock, but they're already selling. And yeah, they won't last long, guys. So if you love this pattern, you want to add this to your collection, you'll want to go to poppincandy.com.au very quickly. Check under the high heels Hot Chocolate Design tab and you'll find these beauties along with many others there on our website. And I did also want to show you today, we've just had a delivery of some new socks. Some of you may have seen the advertising for the new mid-heel Riot Granny, and you've asked about the socks that are being worn in the marketing photos. We were able to source a very similar sock to those. I'll take this out of the packaging and show you if I can figure out. There we go. So we have these in 4 colors currently, and they happen to match geometric as well. Gorgeous. That would be super cute together. So this is a little ankle sock, so bobby sock style, with a little bit of a lace fringe around the top there. So those will look absolutely gorgeous with all of our shoes, really. This is the pink. We also have it in mint, cream, and purple. So it's not a true white, but it's a lovely sort of really light cream color. So it'll go with white things as well. The lace is quite white, so you can definitely do that with those. So we've got those gorgeous 4 colors. We've got the beautiful pink with the mint, the lilac, and the white. Those will go up on the website today, so you'll be able to find those under the accessories tab under socks and stockings. We also have some great new knee-high socks in a myriad of colors, with more coming soon. I'm wearing a pair today. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you. Yes, I can show you. So I've got the rainbow ones on today along with my rainbow platforms. So those are a bit amazing. What a great combination. You'll see a shoe feet on our Popping Candy Facebook page of these shoes with these socks that I posted a little bit earlier. So please do pop onto our Facebook page, facebook.com/POPPCANDY, Pop Candy, Popping Candy. And yeah, check us out on Facebook. On Instagram, we are Popping Space Candy Space Shoes. So check out our official Instagram and Facebook, as well as subscribing to our YouTube channel right here, right now. So please feel free to click that subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our fun unboxing videos. We also have announcements about sales and new products that are coming and things like that. So please do subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you all soon. Bye. See ya.